perform along in the 2003 Subaru Forester, the Drift Taxi. And it is full drift. Some will tell you it's not as fast when you drift it around, but it sure is fun. As the Drift Taxi gets tail happy coming off over these turns. Here is the Time Attack Challenge portion of the Drive Festival presented by for Chevy Corvette. And he's been out a couple of times now in the Mobil 1 3-car speed run. This is the first time really pushing it, though, against the clock.
Seagull thing is Aston. Huh?
Seagull, no?
It's coming, it's here, it's here.
And it looks pretty tidy. Of course, this car not quite as flashy and loud as the Drift Taxi. Chevrolet Corvette Stingray HTC, driven by Gary Howard,
Chevrolet. तो बता रहे हैं. Which one?
is on track.
Oh, this is fast.
Yeah, this is fast.
This is fast, guys.
And again, not quite as loud as the Drift
That
Taxi.
fast. Here it's like
NSX.
Stingray is next.
Backwards. When it passes, like.
Only part of it is really fast. The tires get very heated because of the friction on the road. It's a rubber burning thing. It's not like liquid fire, but
No, it's really.
friction. Yep.
Chevrolet Grand Prix. There it is.
Nice looking run so far. We'll see if it finishes off that way.
Whoa, let's see it.
Just a beautiful looking car. You can see the rear diffuser as well, and all that is
That's fast.
for function, not just for but it's needed to help these cars stay planted. Super Trofeo.
Porsche की चित्र.
Final left-hander up there just a little. And so the Honda Civic Type R comes through. Mark Louis Salutis and the white Civic 2018 will complete his time and looking to beat a 50.97. It'll be faster than his first lap by a long shot.